Here's how to find recently watched videos on Facebook in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Facebook doesn't show a simple Watch History button, but your recently watched videos are saved inside your activity history. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top or bottom corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores your activity history. Tap Category or Filters. Select videos you've watched. Now you'll see a list of videos you recently watched on Facebook. Tap any video to watch it again. You can also remove items from your watch history if you want. If you watched a video without being logged in, it won't appear in your history. And that's it. That's how you find recently watched videos on Facebook. Subscribe for more Facebook and phone tips.